Peace and love, good people. Peace and love. Welcome back to another Money in Minutes trade. Here we are trading the open. It's 9:30 and we have another gap up at the open. As you can see, I'm in a trade from the previous day, down $29, which is about my maximum loss. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to minimize and manage this loss by entering a second contract with a higher delta in the same direction. All right, so what's that doing? That is decreasing my total loss, and it is making up the gap between what I'm losing in the previous trade and what I'm earning in this one. So as you can see, I have a 683 put that I'm up 12% in. I just entered it this morning. So we have gapped up, but we are away from the moving averages that matter. All right, so right now I'm in the trade, but I'm waiting to see if the support will hold. And this is something that I consistently have a hurdle with, because my resistance lines seem to scare me. So I took my 20% win right there, and then I also cut the losing position. So I went from being down $29 at 9:30 to at 9:32 cutting the losing play at $27 and taking a $17 profit. So I'm only down $10 to start this day off. All right, so I'm down $10 starting the day. I'm watching to see whether or not this support will hold, and if it doesn't hold, we're going down to the 21 period moving average. All right, so this is what we call a 3-finger spread. Shout out to OV. All right, so it's very important to understand the difference between a reversal and a pullback. A reversal and a pullback. So what I like to do is I like to fill in the gap to kind of establish the flagpole. So the gap, if it gaps up, it's a green power bar. If it gaps down, it's a red power bar. And then we're looking to see the quality of the pullback. All right, is this pullback a violent pullback that is slamming through and breaking through the supports, or is it a gradual pullback that's respecting the support levels, whether it be the moving average support or a price point? All right, so the red did not break the 50% of the gap up, but we can't really see that right now because I did not fill in the gap. But because it did not break it, I bought a call. So now I'm in a call, and we're moving up back towards 685.54. All right, so I bought the call. I'm looking at this move down as if it respected the support level, the 50% support level. And now we're looking to see if this green bar is going to take out the red bar. I'm already up 7%. At 20%, we're taking profit, and we're cutting losses at -30. All right, taking profit at 20%. I plan to improve my profit taking strategy, because I'm noticing that I'm about 50-50. About half of the time, that 20% take profit is on point, chef's kiss, and then another half of the time the play continues to move, and I wish I would have managed the trade better. But what I'm not going to do is continue to manage losing trades and then cut my winning trades. In 2026, we are going to manage our winners better and cut our losers. Like, who needs to be in a relationship with the loser? I know I don't. All right, so as we see, this green middle candle did not take out the high of that first red candle, and it also didn't break the 50% mark. But again, I'm looking at the gap as a green candle. I'm looking at the gap as a green candle. All right, so here we are coming back down, looking like this red candle might take out the low. Sometimes I need to. I'm working on my my risk management, and my vision is to be eons down the road and much better this year with risk management. So right now, I'm considering, do we add to the play as we continue to move up? Do we add a second contract to the play? As you can see, I tried to add the contract, but it didn't feel. And then that's another thing I need to improve on. I need to start to incorporate hotkeys. Trading with the mouse is a little amateur, and it will throw me off from time to time. I gotta always make sure my settings are right. And again, I could have been in a second contract, but I was too slow to pull the trigger to enter. So now I'm waiting and I'm watching. I'm waiting and I'm watching, anticipating this candle or the next candle to create a new high. So I want 20% or a new high. 20% or a new high. I'm not chasing dollar amounts anymore. I want percentages and locations on the chart. That's what I'm focused on. Profit percentages, location on the chart, and a hard stop loss at my max loss. And sometimes, to be honest with you, you can cut the play before you get to your max loss. Like sometimes there are signs that you were wrong way before you get to your max loss. There's nothing wrong with cutting the play when you're down, $2 or $3 when you can see that you were wrong in your analysis, whether it be the direction or the timing. Because sometimes we get the direction right, but we're so early that eats into the profits because of the theta or the delta, depending on if you're trading 0 DTE or 1 DTE. I try to do one day, give it a day, maybe 2 days, slow the theta down and give myself a little bit more of an opportunity to win. But really, that's like a poor risk management thing as well. So I'm working on it. I'm seeing the error in my ways. The beauty of recording my trades has really been helpful. It's been extremely helpful. So again, it's early in the morning. It's 9:37. We've already managed to cut down a loss from a previous day that we held overnight. And now we're in a trade approaching our 20% target or our new high, all within the first 7 minutes of market open. A lot of people aren't even trading during this time frame. A lot of people are waiting for 10 o'clock to come, to 9:30, 9:45. A lot of people feel like it's nothing but noise early in the trading day, so they want to avoid the noise. They don't want to get faked out or tricked. But once you start to focus on one particular stock, learning its movements, you start to track the behavior and your responses to it. I really think screen recording your trades is priceless. Screen recording your trades and watching them back. Don't just collect a bunch of screen recordings and not watch them back. All right, so here we go. We are moving and grooving, going to a new high. The reason why I'm taking a profit at a new high is because we're so far away from the 21 period moving average. There we go, 20%. 20%. I'm waiting. This is the greed. There we go. Come on now. This is a little bit of the greed kicking in. There we go. Okay. Hey there, future trading champions. If you're tired of feeling lost in the charts and want to take your trading game to the next level, my Patreon is the answer. Join me for exclusive access to my most insightful chart trading videos, a swing trading checklist, and a dedicated series that breaks down the art of charting for beginners. Plus, you'll get entry to my video vault and the chance to ask your burning questions directly in the Stock Market Daddy strategy room. Ready to level up your trading? Let's dive in. Link in the description. Peace and love, and I hope you get rich.